Hi, welcome back to Tasty Tuesday with Sahuarita Parks, Recreation, and Community Services. Today we'll be making BLT wraps, extra large ones. Let's get started. You'll need tortillas. You can use just about any size. Bacon, make sure it's fully cooked. Some sliced tomatoes and some lettuce. Shredded cheddar cheese. And some ranch. First, put your tortilla on a plate and lay it down flat. Next, you can take your bacon and start laying it out on the tortilla. Try to keep it all in the middle, it'll make it easier to wrap at the end. Next, you'll add on your tomato and your lettuce. Again, try to keep it all in the middle just to make it easier to wrap. And you can do it either way. I just did my tomato first, but you can do your lettuce first if you'd like. Try to keep it all pretty even so that you get tomato and lettuce in every single bite. Up next is the cheddar cheese. Sprinkle as much as you'd like right on top. After the cheddar cheese, it's time for the ranch. Just drizzle some right over the top. And don't be afraid to go over any spots that you missed. Now it's time to roll it up. If you have the same problem that I did, where it's a little bit too thick, here's the solution. Grab another tortilla and roll it up on the inside. You can tuck in those edges and then just roll it up inside the first tortilla. Double wrapped for extra protection. And that's all. And that's how to make a tasty BLT wrap. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching today's virtual recreation video. Follow us on Facebook and our new Instagram. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and share. Thanks again.